On today's body cam, we're checking out entitled woman refuses to leave car after vehicle accident ends badly.
On Friday, December 5th, 2025, at approximately 10:12 p.m., officers responded to the scene of a two-vehicle accident in Peoria, Illinois. When they arrived, the driver still seated behind the wheel with the doors locked and windows shut. And now watch what happened when they ran out of patience.
Come on, sir, you come in.
What's up, man? Can you open the door for me?
This is my home. You gotta give me a minute.
Okay.
You gotta give me a minute because I know what's gonna happen. I'm completely in the wrong. I hit the ice, and instead of letting go of everything, I hit the push.
That's all right. That happens. I just need you to open the door for me.
I'm not opening the door right now. Just a minute.
Okay.
I don't have no weapons. I'm not gonna hurt myself. I'm fully aware of what's going on. I know exactly where I'm at.
All right. I just need your license and your insurance, ma'am. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know if they let me or not. I'm trying to see.
Okay. Can you open the door for me? Can you open the door, please? I just need your license and insurance.
I don't have an insurance card.
All right. Can I see your license? Can you hand it to me? Ma'am, I just need your license. Was this car already like this?
Huh?
This Ford right here?
That car?
Yeah.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
I believe so.
Okay. I need you to hand it to me. You have to hand it to me.
I'm not opening the door. I'm not doing anything. I just need to sit here and gather myself, and I need a minute, please.
Can you go get the information of that old lady up there, please?
My VIN number is my van, but I need a minute.
Okay. Ma'am, please open your door. I need you to hand me your license. You have to hand it to me. She's not wanting to get out or hand me her license. Doors are locked. I've been standing here for about as long as I've been 10-7 asking her, so
Okay.
we're going to pull her out. Yeah. All right, ma'am, please step out before we have to make you.
Man, time to break the glass, man. Break the glass. I love this part. Come on, man. Don't come out. Think you run the show. Do whatever it is that you want to do. So that way we could get some good entertainment value out of this, man.
You get out. I can't hear you. Ma'am, I really don't want to break your window and take you out.
Do
Please
it.
step out. She's got an open beatbox. Please open.
Are you ready to the house?
No. Yeah. Keep going.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Go ahead.
Ooh.
Open the door.
Why did you do that?
Open the door.
Ooh, shit got serious now.
Miss, you're the only one that's out of line right now.
Please, don't touch me. Do not come in here. There's nobody in here. I just need a minute. Please do not come in here. You want the keys? There they go.
Okay.
Please, just leave me alone. Just give me a minute. Please, just give me a minute. Please, just give me a minute. Please.
All right.
Wait.
Get out of the car.
I do not give you. Okay, I'm
Get out of the car.
Okay, please step back. I'm gonna walk out. I'm gonna walk out. You had no right to bust my window. I know I was in the car.
Should have just came out.
I was not hurting myself. I'm coming. I'm gonna walk out. I want to lock my doors. I have the right to lock my doors. Mama, they won't let me lock my doors. I do not give you consent. I do not give you consent to search my vehicle. I do not give you consent to search my vehicle.
That's too
And
bad.
that's not your choice.
That is my choice. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I have not
call
done
for the
nothing
sergeant.
wrong. You have no right to bust my window. You have no right to break my window. That is my home. I live in that. That is my home. Get out of my van, please. Somebody, please come out here and record this. I do not give consent for this to search my van. This is a traffic accident. I do not give them consent to search my van.
Alrighty, miss.
Please.
We're gonna go right over here.
Careful.
Please! Somebody please just record it! I do not give you consent! My name is Rachel Louise Thompson. I do not give Peoria Police Department consent to search my vehicle. I do not give Peoria County consent to search my vehicle.
Oh, we're not Peoria County.
You're the Peoria City. You're the city of Peoria. I do not give them consent to search my vehicle. This is a traffic stop. They have to get a warrant to search my vehicle. Do the extra do. Do not Go in my bed. Do not get in my bed. Please, I'm asking you. Please do not get in my bed. Please do not get in my bed. Please close my door.
What's she? She was on the phone with somebody.
The more she keeps saying that, the more it makes me feel like that she has something in that van that she's not supposed to have. Whether that's maybe, I don't know, narcotics or whatever it is, right? When you keep pushing the issue like that, officers got to sit there and think like, it's not really normal. Let me search a little bit harder because I might have missed something.
So I don't know if they're about to say she's 96 or what, but I see the beatbox sitting up there.
Yeah. Please sit in the car, ma'am.
The sooner you sit down, the less we're gonna talk.
I'm not trying to sit. Stand up. Can you let me do this? I'm not trying to let you do this. No, stand up.
That's your baby. What's
She didn't want to get out. Slid on the ice and hit this person's car.
ain't that one?
They said this car's already like that.
Nah, just
I panic because I have a bad limp. So if you give me a second and let me get something to grab on and grab a leg.
oh my god.
Yes, I have a bad limp.
You put your left foot in like I told you.
There you go.
There is a beatbox can in the box in the cup holder. Just found that bike beatbox box in there. She was refusing to open the door. Obviously, we need to remove her from the car. Just completely refused and ignored us talking to herself.
She's up in the driver's seat, I take it.
Yeah, in the driver's seat. Only person in there.
She smacked the back one and then
Yeah, she
reached around and unlock it.
Yep.
Okay.
No, it should be no glass or anything, but we're gonna have to take her to the hospital anyway because of the crash before we send her out.
Okay.
I don't know
Anybody have
if she's gonna be.
use of force?
No, nothing. She was cooperative after they told her to get out the car
Cool.
after the window was broken.
You busted it.
No, I
No,
grabbed
my
it.
recruit did.
I just stood up here and talked to her for probably about 5 to 7 minutes, asking her to get out.
So cool. I'm gonna try to have him run her through field, but I highly doubt that's the thing.
That process for you down to the hospital.
Yeah.
All right.
And I'll probably just do blood in urine or see if I highly doubt she consents because she's making a big deal about it.
Honestly, I like how they doing this stuff. They did what they did, and then they hit they hit Sarge after and filled them in. You got some supervisors that are like that are more, that give you more free reign, and then you got some that are like more micromanage and want to know every little freaking thing. You know what I mean? Because if you look at some of these body cams and stuff like that, for the breaking of the glass and all of that type of stuff, people kind of hold off on that, right? Because they might want to get permission or whatever. But hey, when you got a certain supervisor on, listen, you go ahead, do what you gotta do, fill me in after, and that's what this seems like.
I just need her info. Cooper, do you have their info?
Yeah, I just need her car insurance. That's what they're looking for.
Okay.
Hook the gun. What do I do with this needle?
What needle?
In my hand.
Oh, there is a needle in your hand.
Ah,
I don't know what you're talking about. Show that to I prep. We'll find it.
Contraband or anything?
You got a needle in there with
Yeah.
something in it.
Yeah, we pulled it out.
Any kind of contraband, just take it with you.
Vapors. She said specifically that she doesn't have insurance as well, just so you know.
Okay. So
You want him to write that ticket or I can write that ticket? Don't matter.
what? No insurance? We'll do
Yeah.
it because we're gonna do ag DUI.
All right. I'll just document it. What information do you have from them?
I have the car owner, and she just said that she heard
Okay.
it.
Can't
Came
see
outside.
that.
Yeah.
I'll do
I
that.
took a
You do
picture of
the
it.
salt. We'll call it good.
Are you down?
There's her info, but I took her
Yeah.
the picture of her driver's license.
Are you done with this vehicle? What are you forgetting to do? Huh? Yep. There you go. I would just do a full all the way around.
Oh, you got a full thing. Look at you.
Yeah. Just make sure you focus. Kind of get the fact that that's broken out. What's that? Oh, the window. Yeah.
Who's that?
what?
That's
That's
the
her.
owner of the truck. That's the owner of the other one.
Okay. Do you want me to take the second screen? I can just use the second screen so you guys don't have to
Yeah,
mess with it.
yep.
All right.
What am I?
You got her info?
I do want the wrong too.
Can I see it real quick?
So, just your work.
She does. It was up there. I don't know
Rachel?
where it
Rachel, remember how I've been cool with you? And you've been cool with me, right? But this isn't incriminating, so you don't need a lawyer for this. Well, they're in your van, hon. Because they do have a right. Because it's going to get injured.
All right. Good fight.
Am I checking out on this one?
This one get hit too?
Yeah, they said that car.
This one got hit too?
They said that car was like that.
Oh, okay.
You can see where the ice was melting down from it too. So.
At the end of the night, Rachel Thompson, 44, was placed under arrest, facing 5 charges: aggravated DUI, resisting or obstructing a peace officer, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, operating a vehicle with a suspended registration, and illegal transportation of alcohol. All she had to do was open the door. Instead,